Hey guys, welcome to my channel Karbglam. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe. You got some time here, continue watching. Today I'm gonna share with you some interesting topic that everybody has requested to me, and is how to get our lips bigger and run out of the lips injections. And it's a natural way and with the help of the makeup, so we can create a vision like we got fuller lips. And another thing that I'm gonna teach you is how you can rock your matte lipsticks so easy, and they look super glam, because you know how matte lipsticks are, they always like sticky. So continue watching. Okay guys, the step number one is exfoliate your lips. Exfoliate, you're gonna need just a teeth brush. That is important before you go to bed and at the time before you're gonna apply your lip color. So a regular teeth brush, and all you're gonna do is a circular motions on your lips, and that's gonna help to activate the blood vessels and help with the circulation in this area. You're gonna feel the sensation like a plump, or at least you're gonna have the perfect canvas to apply your matte lipstick or your colors. So I feel a sensation right now. So let's continue talking about a scrub or exfoliating our lips. This is my favorite, is Fenty Beauty in exfoliating, and I like exfoliate one by week because it is like kind of tough or hard or rough. So if I do more than 1 week, my lips gonna feel like, I don't know, weird. So before the matte, you just use soft scrub, and you have to do it always you wanna dress matte lipstick, you need to use your favorite scrub and then apply. I guarantee you're gonna have the perfect lipstick, the perfect lips. So let's talking about lip injection, lip plumbers. So this is my favorite lip injection from Too Faced, but you can use whatever you use, and you can apply before and then clean with a towel. And this is necessary to apply before go to bed. And I'm gonna leave down below my favorite brand that always wore, and the name is Algenist, and you can apply before go to sleep, or your favorite brand, or you can use this as well and go to sleep and get ready the next day if you really got teeny lips. So if you don't got, don't worry, because here I'm gonna give you my homemade, the natural way, Plumber. So what you're gonna need is extra virgin olive oil, like 1 tablespoon, and a quarter of your spoon ground cinnamon. So you're gonna stir this mixture so good, and you're gonna get like a paste. You see a paste. This is gonna be our lip plumber. You can do this like the weekends or something, or you can storage for 3 days or something if you need. And you're gonna get a Q-tip, and you're gonna begin put it and apply on your lips. So in that way, and you can give as what you want, circular motions, massage on. I'm testing the flavor, but tastes so good, by the way. So you're gonna wait like 5 or 10 minutes, all depending on the results you want, and we come back. So when you see all of your oil is absorbed, moisturizing your lips, you're gonna take your Q-tip and take more cinnamon and give soft touches like for about 2 minutes, and that's all. The cinnamon have a lot of properties like accelerate your metabolism and even plump whatever area it touches. And with the olive oil, we're gonna moisturize this area so it's ready to plump. And trust me, I feel the sensation of the little plumber. So here we begin to paint, and I'm gonna use my 2 favorite liners. One is the color of my liner, and the other is a little darker. I'm gonna begin with the darker just to show you guys. And so I'm gonna link that below the browns I'm using if you need it. So this is like a pink nude because I'm more like a pink nude girl. So I'm gonna do the outer corners like inside. I underline inside. I just want to create that effect like a duck or ducky lips. So we're gonna begin now with the nude color. What I'm gonna do is overline a heart here or the shape of your lips. Everybody got different shapes, and this is important, guys, that you make first with nude color, and we're gonna overline the bottom if you need. But if you got like thick lips and the down lip, you don't gonna need it. You just do it in the bottom. So all depends what you're looking for. And now we're gonna do our darkest color, and we're gonna underline. Now we're gonna contour our lips in the corners, you see, with the darker lips. It doesn't matter because it's kind of the same color we're gonna use, and we're gonna fill our lips. So this is my favorite lip for everyday routine, and this is Stay Matte Ink from Maybelline, and the color is Seductress. It's like a pink nude. I love pink nude color instead the real nudes, but I'm gonna use the nude just in the center just to give the sensation, the illusion that I get. Listen, by the way, this is the under the Collagen by Collagen, the nude color I'm using, and then I'm gonna apply more lips. I used to get the pink, but today I'm gonna show you just like this. I'm gonna leave more like nude, but you can cover it with the little steps and your fingers. And this is how it looks, guys. If you want to rock matte, if you want to rock another color of matte, you can apply just on the top of this. Okay, so this is basically like the primer for the contouring and highlighter. So now if you want to rock with gloss, you're just gonna take your gloss and put just in the center of your lips. I'm using here the gold color or globe topper, and this is how my lips look with gloss and all the tips that I give you. The difference is so notorious. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like it, all those tips. If you got any question, comment me down below. Making your question, give me thumbs up, share this video, and I hope you enjoy, guys. Thank you so much for all my Glammies. I love you so much, and I'm gonna leave you some more like modeling here so you can enjoy. Now if I want to change my color, I'm planning like to put more pink. And don't worry about the underlining here because I'm gonna put more pink. I just want to show you how they look, and thank you so much. Bye bye.